Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive right into a topic many of you have been asking for, how to use teamwork.com for press release management. So let's get started. First, log into your teamwork.com account. If you don't have one, it's easy to sign up and offers a host of impressive features to manage your projects and tasks smoothly. The reason we do this is to have a centralized platform where you can manage your press releases effectively. Next up, go to the Projects tab on the top menu. Click on Add Project and name it something relevant, like press releases. The reason we do this is to create a dedicated space for all your press releases, keeping them organized and easily accessible. Now that we've done that, it's time to add tasks. Click on Add Task and break down your press release into actionable items. For example, you might include tasks like draft press release, review and edit, get approval, and distribute. This helps us because it breaks down the process into manageable chunks, ensuring nothing is missed. Let me explain why this matters. By breaking down your press release into tasks, you can assign them to different team members, set deadlines, and track progress. It's a powerful way to keep everyone on the same page and ensure your press release is ready on time. Once your tasks are set, you can start using the Messages feature. This is where you can communicate with your team, ask questions, give updates, and discuss changes. The reason we do this is to keep all communication in one place, making it easy to reference later. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Every time you update a task or send a message, it's logged in the project's history. This means you can always look back to see who did what and when, which is incredibly useful for accountability and reviewing your process. Now that we've covered the basics, there's a lot more to explore in teamwork.com, like the time feature for tracking how long tasks take, or the Files section for storing all your press release documents. But for now, you're well on your way to managing your press releases like a pro. And that's it, a brief step-by-step guide on how to use teamwork.com for press release management. Give it a try and see how it can streamline your process and make your life easier. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.